Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is Write true for right and false for wrong statements. Understood? For right statement you will write true, for wrong statement you will write false. So students, now I am going to give you some statements, and if that is the right then you will write true, and if that is the wrong then you will write false. So the first is WEVGET get TICKET ticket, FROM from TICKET ticket, COUNTER counter, we get ticket from ticket counter. So dear students, I have taught you railway platform. In that topic, I have taught you about the ticket counter. So we get ticket from ticket counter. So this statement is true. You can see in this picture. Yes. Where the people are, from where the people are buying the ticket? From ticket counter. So this statement is true. So we will write true. TRUE, true. Now the next is CHRISTIANS, Christians, WORSHIP, worship, INNTEMPLE, temple. Christians worship in temple. So students, tell me, I have taught you the places of worship. So where the Christians are going to worship? In church. You can see in this picture. See, in this picture you can see Christians worship in church. But in this statement it is written temple. So this statement is wrong. This is not true. So students, what we will write? We will write false, because this statement is wrong. So Christians worship in temple. This is wrong statement. So we will write false. FALSE, false. Now the next is WEVCUT, cut. VEGTABLES, vegetables. FROM, from. KNIFE, knife. This statement is we cut vegetable from knife. So you can see in this picture, dear students, there is a boy, and what he is doing? He is cutting vegetables. And how? From which tool he is using? He is using knife. You can see in this hand. So students, we cut vegetables from knife. This is true. This statement is true. So what we will write? We will write TRUE, true. Now I would like to explain you the next. This is WEVKEEP, kip, WATER, water, FOR, COOLING, cooling, INNFRIDGE, fridge. The statement is we keep water for cooling in fridge. So students, this statement is true or false? See, I am showing you on picture, then you can understand. Yes, this is the picture of fridge. You can see in this fridge the bottles are there. Yes, na? So we keep water for cooling in fridge. This is a gadget, especially in summer season. When we feel hot, for the relaxation we want to drink cold water. So from where we will get the cold water? We keep water in the bottle for cooling in fridge, and after some time when the water become cold, then we drink and we feel relaxed. So this is a gazette that we use for the storage of food for the long time, and we keep water also for cooling. So tell me students, this statement is true or false? This is true. We keep water for cooling in fridge. So we will write TRUE, true. Now the next is RABBIT, rabbit. LIVES, leaves. INNEST, nest. Rabbit lives in nest. Have you seen rabbit? Yes. And have you seen the home of rabbit? Now I am showing you the home of rabbit. Then you can understand. Yes. You can see this is a rabbit and this is the home of rabbit. What is the home of rabbit? Tell me dear. What we say? This we say the burrow, but this is written nest. The statement is rabbit lives in nest, but this is wrong. Rabbit lives in burrow. So tell me, this statement is true or false? You can see in this picture also. This is not a nest. Yes? So student, this statement is false. So what we will write? We will write FALSE, false. Rabbit lives in nest. This statement is false. Now the next is SITAR, sitar. ISANN, INDIAN, Indian. MUSICAL, musical. INSTRUMENT, instrument. Sitar is an Indian musical instrument. So student, have you seen the sitar? Now I would like to show you the picture of the sitar. This is the picture of sitar. This is a Indian musical instrument. Students, there are two types of the musical instruments. Indian musical instruments and Western musical instruments. Indian, you can take the example like sitar, tabla, yes, flute. These all are Indian musical instrument. But that Western musical instrument, that the guitar, this is Western musical instrument. So children, now I would like to tell you something about the sitar. It is a plucked string instrument. It uses strings along with a long hollow neck and a chamber to make a rich sound with complex harmonic resonance. It is used throughout India. So sitar is an Indian musical instrument. This is true. We will write TRUE, true. Now the next is WEVREAD, read. NEWS, news. FROM, from. TELEPHONE, telephone. We read news from telephone. So tell me, telephone is a means of communication. But from which thing we just read the news? You can see in this picture. Yes, you can see in this picture there is a man and he is reading news. But from which means of communication he is using? He is using newspaper. Yes, dear students, he is using newspaper. This is also a means of communication. We can, through the newspaper, we can know that what is happening in our society, what is happening in this whole world and our country. So we read news from newspaper. Understood? And the telephone, this is also means of communication, but we can communicate, we can listen the sound of the people to whom we are talking. Okay, so we read news from telephone. This is wrong statement. So what we will write? F-A-L-S-E, false. Now the next is W-E-V-S-H-O-U-L-D, should, T-A-K-E, take, B-A-T-H, bath, W-E-E-K-L-Y, weekly. We should take bath weekly. Students, you can see in this picture, there is a boy. He is taking bath. But the statement is written, we should take bath weekly. Tell me, this statement is true or false? This is false. This is not true. We should take bath daily. If you will take bath weekly, then you cannot remove the germs from your body. So we should take bath every day, daily. Your brain and nervous system can benefit from bathing. Bathing can benefit your muscles, joints and bones. So students, we should take bath daily. But in this statement it is written, we should take bath weekly. So this is wrong statement. So what we will write? We will write false. F-A-L-S-E, false. So students, like this you will complete this topic at home nicely. Thank you.